Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, laptop model, and whether you need a screwdriver. First, open Device Manager. Expand disk drives to see device names and sizes. Once done, launch Disk Management to match drive letters to physical sizes and partitions so you can identify suspected SSDs. Next, reboot and enter BIOS or UEFI. Make sure storage mode is set correctly and look for labels like NVMe or SATA. These steps locate candidate devices quickly and avoid needless disassembly. Now you confirm the how and why behind each entry. Run a command such as wmic disk drive get model, size, serial to retrieve model and size. This tells you if a drive is NVMe or SATA. Once you have identifiers, run Crystal Disk Info or the SSD maker's utility to read interface, firmware, and health status. That confirms it's an SSD. Make sure to correlate model numbers to the laptop service manual or bay layout so you know which physical slot holds each listed device. To finish, perform final verification. Power down, open the service panel, and visually confirm the SSD type and slot labeling. This answers any remaining ambiguity. If the drive is missing, reseat the M2 or SATA cable, update BIOS/UEFI, and try the drive in an external adapter to isolate the fault. Make sure to back up important data and run the manufacturer's diagnostics after confirmation. If issues persist, contact support with model and serial numbers, ready for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.